Hello guys. So I have a surprise for you. Wait lang. So, merong regalo yung ninang ko. Ito, late post na to guys kasi hindi nakalimutan niya na ibigay yung regalo niya sa akin. At ito na guys. Hello! Hindi to cake no, hindi to cake. Ito, buksan ko na. 1, 2, 3! Yay! And ito guys, yung hair tie guys, hair tie and lotion and pangbabango and a hairbrush guys. I-fix ko yung bangs ko dito guys. Diba ang ganda? And this pulbos and some bracelet guys. So guys, hindi pa nabubuksan yan guys. And guys, this, see, sweet love and wala siyang laman guys, lalagyan lang siguro ito. And but not the least, chocolate. Yan, Christmas. And Richie. And guys, let's put it down. So, ito na guys. Nice ko na. Ito. Nalinis ko na sila guys. So, bye guys. See you my next video bukas, tomorrow. Bye. Love you guys all. Guys, ano ka pala kang sa iyo? Do you like this? Comment down below.